Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install a camera lens protector on any iPhone series. Before we begin, it's important to clean the camera lens thoroughly to ensure the protector sticks properly. I'll start with a wet wipe to remove any dust or smudges, making sure the surface is completely clean. Next, I'll peel off the protective film from the lens protector. This protector has a glass layer on top and a sticky adhesive on the bottom. This step is crucial to ensure that no dust or fingerprints get trapped underneath during installation. Carefully align the lens protector over the camera lenses, making sure each cutout perfectly matches the individual lenses and sensors. Take your time with this step, as proper alignment is key to ensuring the protector sits flush without obstructing the camera's view. Once you're confident in the positioning, gently press it down in the center and then work your way outward, applying even pressure to help the adhesive bond securely. These protectors are affordable and provide an extra layer of protection for your camera lenses. However, one concern I had was whether adding another layer of glass might affect photo quality. But after testing it, the pictures still come out clear with no noticeable issues. As you can see, it sits perfectly without any interference. And that's it. That's how you install a camera lens protector on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.